The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended trading hours on key US shares and competitive spreads, all on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.
Welcome to the stock of the day, which is Novonix. The company will deliver its first mass production of synthetic graphite for industrial production for one of its North American clients. CEO Mike O'Cronley describes the delivery as a manufacturing milestone, with Novonix saying it's now diversifying beyond batteries. It also expects to expand production in 2026. The share price is up close to 16%, just approaching 1 p.m. here in Sydney on this Monday afternoon. Let's get a view from David Lane from Ord Minnett. Is this too specky for you there?
It definitely is speculative. Absolutely. Yeah, it's not one that we cover, so we don't have an official view. But look, I think Novonix is interesting in that the battery space and magnets in general are a hot area of the market. The graphite, or the synthetic graphite that Novonix are developing has a lot of potential, but obviously still has some further development to go. So in investing in Novonix, you are taking a bit of a leap of faith in their technology and their ability to deliver that. But they do have a lot of fairly powerful partners. They've got Phillips 66 have got an investment in the company and have provided them with some funding. They've also had some funding from the Canadian Natural Resources organisation, and their hopeful delivery of their synthetic graphite is for Panasonic. So there are some fairly powerful partners who are involved in the company. So look, I'd be prepared to put a speculative buy on it, but yes, you are taking a fairly significant risk and probably only have it as a fairly small part of the portfolio, but look for that potential upside that they could have if they deliver their synthetic graphite in the future.
Thank you, David. Let's go to Kai Chen from MPC Markets, Novonix.
Yeah, no, I completely agree with David. I think it's a very specky buy. And as we've seen over the last couple of years with, the in general graphite battery technologies, right? So, I mean, it's good that they are coming into production, which means that they're really ready to deliver to the market. But I do feel like it is an important technology because, if, in our view, over the next decade, robotics and robotics will be massive. And I think, it's going to require a new type of battery technology. So they'll be well positioned in this space. However, again, it's very speculative.
Well, that's it. That's the verdict on our stock of the day, Novonix. It is a specky buy from both of my guests.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.